Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, sorry, now clavicle fracture, management of the clavicle fracture. So, management of clavicle fracture can be conservative management. In the conservative management, we can put the patient on figure of 8 bandages or clavicular brace can be put on the patient for the clavicle fracture, and we can also do surgery is also indicated in these patients. So actually, what are the indications of surgery? Surgery is indicated whenever we think of any neurovascular injury. If the patient has any neurovascular injury, or if the patient has any cosmetic issue in malunion, when there is cosmetic issue is present during malunion, or if there is fracture on the lateral end of the clavicle, or if there is any acromioclavicular joint dislocation. So in all these four conditions, we have surgery is indicated. So surgery is indicated in neurovascular injury, cosmetic issue of the clavicle, and acromioclavicular joint. So this is the picture of the figure of 8 bandage of the clavicle. So as we said, there is injury to the neurovascular structures is common. See, because of the fracture of the clavicle, the injury to the lower trunk of brachial plexus and subclavian vessels can occur. And here there is this is the patient with surgery is done for the clavicle, and this is the malunion which is seen in the clavicle.
thank you and thank you for watching.